Hi, this is going to be a quick update to the previous two videos. You will hopefully know that this is a Boxford Model C lathe, and the issue with this lathe is that although the lead screw is not in too bad a condition, the half nuts which are engaged with this lever, half nuts are quite badly worn, and so it has a tendency to skip. So as it's driving along in this direction, by the way, there should be a wheel on there, but I've just removed it. So as it's driving from right to left, so towards the headstock, then if there's a reasonable amount of pressure, the half nuts were just jumping on the thread because of the sawtooth type wear on them. So lacking any way of being able to adjust them, I have now changed this bottom one. I've now made this with an eccentric, so when I rotate this, it's like a shoulder bolt. When I rotate this around, then I can adjust the way that the half nuts are spaced apart from each other. I'm going to do the top one as well when I get around to it, but it's already has greatly improved it. So let me just quickly start up the lathe. Then you'll see the lead screw is turning, and let's engage the half nuts. Hopefully you'll make that out. Yeah, it's running okay. Now, believe me, previously it wouldn't have, well, possibly wouldn't have even done that, and with just applying a slight amount of pressure it would jump. I'm not going to try and do that. It's a little bit difficult with the camera in my hand, with the phone in my hand now. But yeah, it is greatly improved. Now, I think that when I do the top one as well, so as I say, I've done the bottom one, do the top one, and then once I've done that, and that's not even up tight at the moment, when I do that one as well, then I think that there will be a substantial improvement, because I will be able to change the spacing between those two half nuts. Now, it's not a substitute really for new half nuts, but it's a definite easy way to add some adjustment, and it seems like it's going to work on this lathe, and it might be in the future, long distant future, I might get around to doing a more permanent fix. But you know, I'm quite happy with this. I think really probably they should have been made in this way, so it would have allowed some adjustment. So hopefully you find that useful, and if you want to see the shoulder bolt that I've made, watch the previous video. In the previous video it doesn't actually show it fully finished off, and I still need to probably, I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this part here, I still need to put a slot across there, but yeah, that would be easy to do maybe tomorrow. Okay, that's it for this video.